Welcome to Juliet Kitchen with Chef Yasmin. In today's video, I'm showing you how to make the juiciest, most tender shrimp recipe. It's a game changer and a crowd pleaser. Start with 1 pound of jumbo shrimps, shell on. Season with extra virgin olive oil. Spice mix include coriander, cumin, smoked paprika, harissa powder, kosher salt, and fresh ground black pepper. Coat very well. I like to use a cast iron pan when making this recipe. Add extra virgin olive oil to the hot pan. Toss in the jumbo shrimps, ensuring that they're in single layer. Cook 30 to 60 seconds until the shells start to become pink. If you don't have a cast iron pan, a stainless steel skillet works perfectly. Just ensure that the skillet is hot. Then add the extra virgin olive oil or your preferred oil before adding in the shrimps. Once the shells are nice and pink, remove them to a plate. Cooking the shrimp in this manner, the shell protects the shrimps and keeps them nice and juicy and tender. Please remember to like the video, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, click the subscribe button and the bell to get notified whenever I post a new video. In the same cast iron pan, I saute carrots and onions. Cook for about 2 minutes until it's nice and fragrant. Be sure to season with salt and freshly ground black pepper. I then add in red bell pepper. You can use any type of bell pepper you prefer. Fresh rosemary, fresh scallions, lots of garlic. This was 1 large clove of garlic. Cook for about 30 to 60 seconds until fragrant. Then add in tomatoes. In goes the zest from 1 lemon along with the spice mix. My spice mix is red pepper flakes, coriander, harissa powder, smoked paprika to keep the flavors in tune with the shrimp. I pour in beer. Beer and shrimp marries well together, but you could use white wine. Cover the pan and allow to simmer 2 to 3 minutes until the alcohol has evaporated. In the meantime, peel the shells off of the shrimp. The shells can be discarded here. An option is to keep the shells on for the next step in the recipe. That is only if you don't mind peeling the shrimps while you're eating. On to the next step of the recipe. Look at that, it smells incredibly delicious. The beer has reduced and the alcohol flavor has dissipated. Add back the shrimps, fresh squeezed lemon juice. Give it a nice mix to coat the shrimp with all that beautiful beer and vegetable flavor. Lay the shrimps in a single layer. Cover and allow to cook 1 to 2 minutes until the shrimps are fully cooked through. Look at that juicy, tender shrimps. And the smell is crazy good. Garnish with fresh scallions. I love serving these beautiful, delicious shrimps on a bed of cardamom basmati brown rice, but you could use any type of rice you prefer or even pasta. Any way you serve this dish, you will enjoy it tremendously. Get all of the ingredient list in the description box below. Wow, look at this absolutely gorgeous shrimp. How tender. And they're juicy too. So good. Enjoy. Happy cooking.